Today we will learn about the letter P. This is capital P, standing beside lowercase p. Say hello to the letter P. This is a panda. Panda starts with the letter P. And this is a pancake. Pancake also starts with P. Oh wow, look! The panda is flipping pancakes with his belly. Boing! One lands on his head like a hat. Let's say it together. Panda and pancake. This is a penguin. Penguin starts with the letter P. And here is a popsicle. Popsicle also starts with P. Whoa! Look at that! The penguin is sliding down a snowy hill with a popsicle in his flipper. Oops, he dropped it and caught it with his beak. Let's say it together. Penguin and popsicle. This is a parrot. Parrot starts with the letter P. And this is a paintbrush. Paintbrush also starts with P. Look, kids! The parrot is painting with his feathers. He's making rainbow splashes on the wall. Let's say it together. Parrot and paintbrush. This is a peacock. Peacock starts with the letter P. And here is a pizza. Pizza also starts with P.
Oh my goodness!
The peacock is spinning a giant pizza on his tail. Sprinkles and cheese are flying everywhere. Let's say it together. Peacock and pizza. Today we learned so many playful P words. Panda, pancake, penguin, popsicle, parrot, paintbrush, peacock, and pizza. Let's wave to the letter P. Bye-bye, letter P.